This is outside GMC. If anybody gets a heart attack, he may reach GMC, but he will die outside GMC. Look at the traffic confusion. Any patient who might reach here near GMC but will definitely die on this flyover. Look at the confusion. No traffic, nothing. This is the only hospital in Goa, and we are facing such kind of mismanagement. I'm 100% sure anybody who gets even mild heart attack will get paralyzed or die on this junction. Impossible to reach inside GMC without this constraint. This is most pathetic. Traffic confusion island created by government. I don't know what this is solving. Look at this. A patient has to at least pass through 3-4 junctions with huge traffic, and that valuable time, valuable minutes which can save his life, he can die right on these junctions.